guys, I'm here at Nike outlet store here in NLEX, the Mega Station. That's actually beside the Caltex. So let's go and have a look. So if you're looking for very affordable basketball sneakers, you have it here. It's the Nike Air Versatile. Guess what's the price? The price is only 2,400 pesos. So guys, 2,400 pesos for a basketball sneakers that you could wear and you could beat up. This is the place to go. We also have two other colorways, one in navy and one in black and red. So both are all 2,495. So here there's another very affordable sneaker. This is the Nike Zoom Evidence 2. This is only 3,700 pesos. You also have the LeBron Witness. It's at 4,395. Another colorway here. We actually have three colorways. So the Air Jordan 13 Utility Black is on sale on this store. So it's only 7,095. There's a 20% discount. So the original price is 9,895. So here we have another sneakers below 5,000 pesos. So this is the Jordan Aero Morph. This is the Jordan Aero Morph. The price of these sneakers is 4,500 pesos. So they have the Mamba Rage as well. This is the price of these sneakers is 4,195. So another cheap basketball sneakers. If you're looking for a Jordan under 5,000, numbered Jordan is Jordan 2, 4,495. This is the Air Max Dominate. Price is 5,595. Another good basketball sneaker. So here we have the Air Money or the Air More Money. So you can see this is like the Air More Up Tempo sole. So the price of these sneakers now is at 4,395. The original price of these sneakers is at 3,095. So there's a 45% discount for these sneakers. The Nike Epic React 2 is also on sale in this outlet. So now they're on 20% discount. The price is at 6,095 from 7,600 pesos. The Nike Air Max 720 is also on sale, 20% discount. Now the price is 7,195 from 8,995 pesos. the original Nike Epic React Flyknit. The price of these is $5,995 from the original price of $7,645. For Nike Epic React Flyknit, the price of these sneakers now is at $5,995. The original price is at $7,645. So, if you're looking for Kobe Pro Toes, it's on 30% discount. Now the price is at Now the price is at $6,795. The original price is $8,995. 30% discount. So the Element 55s are also on sale. These are at $5,395. It's actually original price is actually at $6,795. So with 20% discount now it's at $5,395. If you're looking for a simple white sneakers with a black swoosh, this is the sneakers. These are called the Nike. These are called the Nike Court Majestic. The price of these sneakers is at $1,995. It's actually at 20% off. So yeah, very clean, nice looking. You're looking for Nike slip-ons. These are also on 20% discount. Now it's at 2,295 pesos. If you're looking for trainers, we have the Nike Free trainers over here. It's at 20% discount. The price of this is at 4,195. They also have this Zoom Trade incredibly. So this is at 30% discount. So the price is at 3,295. So these are more cheaper than the Zoom Free. So yeah. Here we have the Varsity Complete. It's at 2,795. These are the Nike Tech Trainer. So these are a little bit more expensive at 3,995. I just saw this Nike Day Air Max 97. Doesn't have any price, but it's at 20% discount. Oh, it's here. So it's at 7,195 pesos. 20%, so it's probably about 8,000 plus. They have the Air Max 95 over here. So nice suede material. Price is at 6,795 pesos. These are another Air Max 95, but these are a little bit more expensive. These are 7,400. These 720s are also on 20% discount. So yeah, they have different colorways. Ano? 20% discount. So now it's at 7,195 pesos. So guys, I think this is one of the steals in this outlet. The Nike Air 270s. It's at 20% off only, but the original price of these sneakers is actually at 7,600, and now you can get it for 5,900 pesos only. So very clean colorway, very nice. So if you like these sneakers, Actually, I have one in black, but these are actually nice. So if you want to have these, go at this outlet store. Zoom Fly SP. We have 2 colorways, 20% off. These are supposed to be 8,500. Now it's 6,700. We have the Nike Air Zoom Vomero. These are very nice running shoes. So original price is at 7,495. Now you can get them for 5,495. Epic Rock Flyknit at 5,995. Epic Phantom React Flyknit Laceless is at 5,995. And they have 2 other colorways over here. Pegasus 35s at 4,995. So guys, if you're looking for a very nice running shoes, Pegasus 35 are very good. So 4,995. These are a very classic sneakers. These are the Air Max Up Tempo 95. Very cool sneakers. So the price of these are at 6,495. Original price is at 8,995. So there's a 25% discount on these sneakers. We also have bags, pants, all is 20% discount. So these are actually good quality, nice. This one as well. We're looking for joggers. 20% off. So about 1,800, 1,900 pesos. Nice shorts, 20% also shorts as well. This camo shorts is 1,295. So again, it's 20% discount. So mostly of the items here are the base discount is 20%. So guys, I hope you like our outlet tour. So there's a lot of heat sneakers here, a lot of nice sneakers, very good value for money. So this place is at NLEX, beside the Caltex station. So if you have time, please drop by on this station. Very good sneakers, very good apparel. So thank you so much for watching. Actually, I don't want to call it cheap. They're more affordable items. So guys, please check it out. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell down below. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.